Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing from another fellow YouTuber. His name is Cactus Steve. Um his channel is fairly new, but he has done lots of propagation. He's also here in Florida, so we do have something in common. And yes, he reached out to me and asked me if he can send me a few share some of his plants with me, and of course I love sharing each other's gardens, so I said sure. So he sent me a little something and I am dying to see what it is. It's so nice of him. So he does a lot of shorts. That's something new on YouTube. I was meaning to ask you guys if you guys would be interested in me doing shorts. Maybe it'll be a little bit less pressure in making videos, because shorts have to be very short. But anyways, yeah, so he shows a lot on how he propagates his plants, and he seems to be very successful. Let's see what we got here. There's one he told me, look at this, very well packaged. Look at this, very professional. Oh, this is heavy for how small it is. Let's see. Oh, okay. Are these the rainbow cactus? I'm not sure if that's what it's called. Wow, I know he propagated these himself. They are heavy. Like they have some weight on these. This one, I believe, comes in different flowers. I think I have one and finally flowered for me. It did a pink flower. It's really pretty. I wonder what flower this color would be. A little variegation going on there. Look at that. That's interesting. I wonder if it flowered for him and what color was his flower. That would be cool to know. I think it is a rainbow cactus. I could be wrong. Ooh, let's see what this is. Okay, so maybe a type of a puntia. I have something that looks similar to this, but it has smaller spines, and it seems like they're less sharp. These are a little bit tougher. The other one that I have is more, you know, like soft. Okay, that's it. This one is really cool. I'm gonna show you the ones that I think that looks like this. Hold on one second. Looks like it. Here it is. See how it looks similar, but they're not the same. It's got more of a short there. It feels a little bit softer, but it will still, you know, kind of irritate you if it pokes you. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know if he knows names. I think this might be the one that he said that he found growing off on a rock in his job, in a job site or something like that, like on a random rock. So yeah, is this attached? No, it just got stuck together. It poked itself. There we go. Hold on. I can see that this does have little hairs, so I don't want to grab the part that has little hairs, because little hairs are more difficult to deal with. Many of you were suggesting that I use oh, this is all together. Okay, let's see. This one is not. That's just poking itself, but this is just one long piece here. I wonder if it was like that initially, you know? And then once I give it water, it will correct itself. Okay. Thank you so much, Steve. These are so cute. I'm going to pot them up with you guys. So I have my cactus mix that I normally use, which is Miracle Grow. I started using perlite again, just because I like that it's a little bit lighter than my rocks, but I like to mix it all together. I feel that I've always had success with the perlite, and yeah, so I just started to use it all. The more drainage you have, the better, right? So this is what it looks like. There's some nice roots. I'm gonna put them individual just so that it has room to grow and I don't have to repot it right away. Okay, that was all set. Sorry guys, I kind of had to sneeze, but I didn't, and now I'm like all sniffly. This cute little tray here, I got it at a Goodwill. Was it a Goodwill or a thrift store? I can't remember if it was the Goodwill or the thrift store, but I loved it. It's so cute. It is made in England, and it has just a perfect picture of a cottage surrounded by a beautiful garden, which would be a dream for me. I've actually been wanting to. I wish I had the kind of money to hire someone to guide me to turn this side of the backyard into like a beautiful Florida garden, you know. I went to botanical gardens and I see how beautiful everything is, and yeah, I wish I can do that, but obviously that's a lot of money to hire someone. So yeah, anyways, I got those two. And now I'm going to try, see if I can find. I'm gently holding it like this so it's not hurting me. I'm trying to see which way the roots are going. Kind of growing like this. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can find a chopstick. I have some usually around. I use them for a lot of things. I'm going to use it to give this support so that it can straighten out once it gets back, you know, on it, like gets strength. Look, but it doesn't hurt. It's just getting stuck on me. That doesn't hurt right there. Ow, that one did because I pushed it in. That one did because I pushed it in. Oh, okay, so let me address the glove situation. One of the reasons I don't use gloves is because these little prickly thingies will get stuck to the glove, the outside of the glove, and when you grab the glove, it's gonna get on you again. So it's not like you can really, you can't remove it from the glove. It's just too difficult. So yeah. But I could use the tongs. I just didn't grab them. That's it. Laziness. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys. So I've got the chopsticks. Yeah, so if you ever get sushi or you go to hibachi, make sure you bring your chopstick in your families that don't use it. So they're just so useful for many things. Even for, like, if you want to plant. So this one has some roots right here. I mean, it doesn't need it. I can remove the roots from that. So I have my wire here. I think this is considered floral wire. I'm not sure. It's from the Dollar Tree. It's green. Yeah, let's have it ready so that I can stop touching it so much with that. Should have cut it a bit longer, but it's okay. There you go. See? After a while, it won't need the stick anymore. It's gonna fix itself and it won't need the stick anymore. And that's it. So hopefully that will be, I'll probably put this on the spot over there where I have all my propagations. It has a shade cloth and it's gonna get good light and rain, and I believe it'll be perfectly fine. If this behaves anything like this one, then I think it's gonna be fine. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna link Steve's channel information down below, so please go check out his channel. Show him some love. Everyone, when they start a new channel, they need encouragement, they need support, so that they can feel that your efforts are not going to waste. You know, we're watching, we appreciate it. So please go check him out and let him know that you are interested in learning from him and you are interested in seeing his propagation, his collection, and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed, wonderful day. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Steve.